WEN PL1252 blade benchtop thickness planer is a powerful and versatile tool for woodworking enthusiasts. With a 15-amp motor, it can generate an impressive 20,000 cuts per minute at a feed rate of 26 feet per minute, making it suitable for a variety of planing tasks. The ability to plane boards up to 12.5 inches wide and 6 inches thick adds to its versatility, making it suitable for a range of woodworking projects. One notable feature of this planer is the depth adjustment knob, allowing users to customize the depth of each pass from 0 to 1/8 of an inch. This feature provides flexibility and control, enabling users to achieve the desired thickness for their projects. The inclusion of two reversible 12.5-inch SK5 blades, model BP122K, ensures that users have durable and reliable cutting edges. The 2-inch dust port helps maintain a clean working environment by efficiently removing chips and sawdust from the workpiece. The planer's design includes onboard workpiece return rollers to facilitate multiple passes with ease. Additionally, height-adjustable infeed and outfeed tables help minimize snipe, providing extra support during planing. Weighing 55.6 pounds and measuring 22 by 23.5 by 18.25 inches, with a 20 by 12.5 inch footprint, this benchtop planer is portable and can be easily moved around the workshop using the rubber grip handles. Alternatively, users have the option to mount it to a work surface or stand of their choice using the pre-drilled base holes. Despite its overall positive reviews, some users have reported issues with snipe during operation. One user addressed this by hot gluing sacrificial runners to mitigate snipe on the infeed and outfeed sides. While this solution adds a step to the process, the user finds that the finished thickness plane is perfect and true. Other users have mentioned occasional issues, such as a line down the middle of a planed board, though it appears to be an isolated incident. Overall, the WEN PL1252 is praised for its performance, especially considering its price point, making it a great choice for those with limited space and budget constraints.